We're back. It's been a while. Been a long time since you've seen the Triumph, but we're going to do some work on the Triumph today. Garage is a little bit tidier than it was. I can find my tools again, which makes a change. We're going to look at the gear linkage. It's pretty sloppy, so I'm going to show you what that looks like, make some space, and we're going to try and fix it. Alright, so the gear linkage on the Triumph is here. Can we zoom that out a little bit? There we go. If you have a look, there's a ton of slop. That's in neutral at the moment. And there's a ton of slop in this here and in this here. So I have a replacement. This one's come off a bike that's done about 30,000 kilometres. My bike's done about 104,000 kilometres. So hopefully there'll be a lot less slop. I shouldn't need to touch this end at all. That should just bolt straight on. And I've had a look at this end, and I didn't actually know how they came off until this one arrived in the post. And so all you do is remove the clip, which is quite difficult to do one-handed, and it slides out. So in theory, I should be able to remove the clip from the other one, pop it off, undo the bolt at the top there, slide that off, and replace it. So that goes like that. On the end of there, there should be a clip, and there's no clip. Okay, so the plastic thing has to come off first, and the Torx bits are at the Bald's house. Marvellous. Oh, it's that one. Okay. Okay. It can slide off. So we're halfway there, kind of. So we've got a load of slop in there, and a little bit of slop in here. No way of actually getting that off. I wonder if we could unthread this from that. Is that going to help me? I'm just going to take the slop out of this end, which, yeah, there's a fair bit of slop there. How's it compared to this one? This one does feel better. So we can just undo. There's 10 mil gone. Can I get enough torque on this? See on the bike? Yes, I can. Okay. So it would fix it partially ish. If I can get this one off here. As if by magic it's popped off. So I can then put the boot on here, which, yes, I know it needs to be replaced. Is it the same length? Does appear to be. So we're only going to fix, there's only going to be a partial fix. I may have to try and get a complete replacement thing. However, so that bit's still going to be loose as. I can't even shim that because I can't get in there. So that's going to go back on like that. I may, while I'm here, take the front sprocket cover off because it's full of crap. And just give that a wee clean out as well. Grab a tin. Do you guys see one down there? Oh yeah, there's one there. No bit. Catch that bit. No, failed. Well, that lovely chain will do its job. Better than it was. Because there's a clean spot on the chain, and I'll be wondering why there's a clean spot on the chain. There's obviously something catching somewhere. So there's a couple of covers at the back, and it might just have a build-up of crap. So that will do for this one. Doesn't need to be immaculate, just needs to be better than it was. There we go, so it's going to go quite far to the right. I think I should do the bottom one first. You're really in the way, you know that. Just like my dog, really. Linkage back in place. And then of course we'll have to write it and figure out where it needs to be set. So it was about there when it came off. And then so now so we're taking the slop out of this end-ish. And it'll need adjusting. But it's not going to be any worse than it was. And it turns out it's a different part. So there you go. You live and learn. So it's still pretty sloppy, unfortunately. I will come back after a test ride, which I'm going to take you along with me for. You guys can't mention to the wife I've used the vacuum, right? Because it's the only way I can think to get this crap cleaned up. Do not tell the wife. I've emptied it, okay. And besides, it's me that fixes it when it breaks anyway. Okay, so the downside to having you guys there is I'm going to struggle to get on the bike. Maybe I'll get on from the other side for a change. Something I normally do. No, it's going to be difficult from that side as well. In case you don't know how to adjust your gear lever, because most things are adjustable on a bike. In this case, 10mm spanner. Going to undo the lock nut here. And we're going to undo the lock nut here. And because I want it to be a little bit lower, we're going to rotate this shaft until it goes down a bit. And then we'll lock it back. And I will give that a shot. Done. Easy as that. Test ride number 2. Alright, it does feel better. I'm going to adjust it because it's a little bit high for my preference. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, do the like, comment, subscribe thing. There's going to be more content coming soon on bikes because I've got an exhaust to do on the MT-07, and there may be something else coming. Check back with us.